Within Word Patterns, Volume 1, Sort Number 12, Short A and Long A words. While a short A word is spelled with only one vowel, the long A can be spelled in two ways, with the A-E pattern, which is the consonant, vowel, consonant, with the magic or silent E, or the AI pattern, which is consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. The poem that I am going to read for you is called Pancakes for Breakfast. When Mom makes pancakes in a pan, I eat as many as I can. 2, 4, 6, 8. I can't wait for stacks of pancakes on my plate. You ate them all, said my dad. Mom will make more, I am glad. When I read this again, I want you to listen for the short A sound. If you look at the word pancakes in the title, that's the sound that a short A makes. And then cakes has the long A, cakes has the A and then a consonant, and then the magic or silent E. So we are listening and looking for words that have the short A sound and the long A sound. Pancakes for breakfast. When Mom makes pancakes in a pan, I eat as many as I can. 2, 4, 6, 8. I can't wait for stacks of pancakes on my plate. You ate them all, said my dad. Mom will make more. I am glad. Let's see if we can find some of the short A sounds like the one in pancakes. Pancakes. I found one. If you look here, there's the word pan right here at the end of the first sentence. And pan is a one that has a short vowel. If I look down to the next sentence, I can also see the word can, can. There's another one, and they rhyme, pan and can. I see some more as I'm looking through. Can't, can't wait. There's another one, and I see the word dad, dad. There's another one. I am, there's another one, and glad. If you look, dad and glad are rhyming words. Now there are some other kind of words in this poem that we'll be looking at too, and they are called homophones. Homophones sound the same, but they actually have different meanings. Like we have the word eight, E-I-G-H-T. That is the 8 that we know is the number 8. And then in the sentence, you ate them all, 8. A-T-E is one that sounds the same, but you can see that the spellings are very different. So it's very important to know the meanings so that you'll know which one to write down in your writings. When we look back into this poem, I also see some words that rhyme with and have the A-I sound, like in wait, wait, wait. Do you see any other ones that have the A-I sound? Whoops, sorry. Wait. I don't see any of them, but I do hear a rhyming word, plate, and that has that magic E or silent E at the end. A-T-E, plate. The words this week that we'll be sorting are the short A sounds, like in cat. We've got the word black, camp, dash, flash, snack, and stamp. We also have the CVCE words, like in the word face, bake, lame, crane, main, place, and snake. We have the words that are the ones with an AI sound, like in the word rain, brain, faint, main, paint, snail, train. Then we have two that are oddballs that don't follow the rules, and they're the words said. It doesn't make the A sound. It isn't said. Said, and want. It doesn't have the A sound like it should be. Ant, want. We don't say it that way. We say want. If we look back into the CVC with the magic E, halfway down we've got the word main, M-A-N-E. And I also see with the AI there's another main, M-A-I-N. The M-A-I-N, main, is like the main idea, the one that means the most important. M-A-N-E is mane, like on a horse's back. Long mane. It's on the back of the horse's neck, and that's M-A-N-E. So it's important to know the meanings of the words so that you'll be able to write the correct word when you are writing. This week, you will be reviewing and going over the short A sound, like in the word cat, and the long A sounds, like in the word face and rain. You will need to sort those words when you get them cut out, and then on Wednesday and Thursday, you will have time to work on the computer with your sorts. Good luck. Remember, sort 12 is I can read and spell words with short A, spelled CVC, and long A words spelled A with a dash E or AI.